all empty chairs, all empty passages, all lives, though very, very tiny, just weighs only about 1 millionth of a trillion grams, but there is it. Billions of lives till date we have lost due to bacterial, viral, fungal, or parasitic infections. Is there any end of all these? Is there any light at the end of the tunnel? Let's debate and discuss. Dear friends, yes, coronavirus outbreak has taken our health, has taken our understanding of the world. In fact, it taught many, many lessons. The one only and precious lesson is to stay healthy from within, to stay upscale from within. No money, no ornaments, no cars, bungalows. Dear friends, it's your health is your wealth. Can it spark some fundamental rethinking of our priorities? Yes, it must. Let's organize ourselves. It's our immunity, it's our resistance power, dear friends, to be addressed very seriously. Very, very high time to rethink, replan, reform, and re-strategize on that front. But how can you improve your immunity? How can you improve your resistance power? Let's debate and discuss in our health essential sections. Let's go. First, mental makeup. Yes, dear friends, healthy mind is the first sign of a good health. How we think and feel can affect our emotional, mental, and physical health. Yes, learning to manage our anger, change our outlook on life, or address psychological issues can help keep mind active and healthy. Here are the basics for your mental makeup. Number 1, positivity. Yes, be positive. This is the fundamental rule of the life. It can ease your stress and open up the gate of success and happiness. 2, be calm, cool, and organized in any situations. It is mandatory for overall growth and development. Learn to curb your anger. It grants you clear, sharp, and accurate pictures of the scenario and increases your assessment capabilities. Third, have good surroundings. Put time and effort into building good relationship with your surroundings. Having strong and positive relationship will support and enrich your life. Embrace people. 4, do what you enjoy. Make a way for it every day. Number 5, take care of yourself. Yes, dear friends, a healthy body is linked to a healthy mind. If your body feels good, you will too. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. Avoid processed foods. Yes, find the ways to be very busy and active every day. Keep challenging yourself. That's the way you can learn lots of things, and it is very useful for your mental fitness. Second, focus on your sleep cycle. Yes, dear friends, rest and refresh. It's totally okay sometimes to do nothing. In fact, you should plan for it. Get your daydreaming on. Take 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day and avoid afternoon sleep, or just take 10 to 15 minutes of a nap. Sleep on your left side as to make digestion that easy and proper because of the shape of the stomach. It relieves the pressure on liver and allows blood to flow very freely. And by sleeping on either side, it makes a way to clear what we call interstitial waste from your brain. That way, you can reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's, Parkinsonism, or certain other neurological disorders. Even it reduces snoring, sleep apnea, and heartburn as well. So, just focus on your sleep cycle. Number 3. Walk. Yes, dear friends, to walk certain steps per day is very mandatory. But how many steps per day? 10,000, 8,000? Well, dear friends, it depends on your fitness level and what you want to accomplish. At least 8,000 steps one should walk per day as per the WHO guidelines. And even some US health officials recommend us rather 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity exercise like brisk walking. But then it depends. Yes, dear friends, once Lord Kelvin has said, if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. So how can you track all these activities all together? Have you at any point in time marked it or counted it, dear friends? Yes, none of us will be able to answer it correctly or properly. So is there any ways? Yes, dear friends, there are certain gadgets available in the markets like fitness bands and fitness watches, but it is not necessary or compulsory to buy, rather than to remember that 8,000 steps per day are mandatory, because some activity is good than no activities. So dear friends, find the ways and means of walking. Number 4, water. Yes, dear friends, water is the essence of our life. About 60% of our body weight is made up of water. Yes, we need it for every single body function. It flushes toxins from our organs, carries nutrients to the cells, acts as a cushion of joints, and helps digest food. So then, how many glasses of water or liters of water one needs to drink every day? As per the Institute of Medicine IOM, 13 glasses or 3 liters for men, 10 glasses or 2 liters for women. It depends on your age, depends on your work patterns and climate you live in. The dilemma is that we don't drink enough fluids, either skipping, ignoring, or of such nature. Those who are techno-savvy or forgetting or needs kind of a reminder, they all can download and install one app called Water Drink Reminders. It gives notifications and reminders time to time. What a time we have, dear friends. In the past, our parents used to perform this duty. Okay, how can we be sure we are drinking enough water? Well, do you drink enough fluid that you feel thirsty? Or is your pee either clear or light yellow? If your answer yes to both these questions, then yes, dear friends, probably you are getting all the fluids you need. So, save water and drink enough. That's it. In the last, at number 5, your eating patterns. Yes, dear friends, just fasten your seatbelts and listen to this. If you don't eat your food as a medicine, time will come to eat medicines as your foods. Stunned and surprised? Yes, but it's true, dear friends. Whatever you eat, whether junk food or natural foods, make sure to remember a couple of things. As per the empirical science of medicines, dear friends, eat slowly, and second, chew your foods 32 times. Take at least 15 to 20 minutes to eat your lunch or dinner properly so that you don't overeat, and chew your foods 32 times to make it tasty and digest very well in your stomach. Dear friends, it is said at least 50% of your food you should digest in your mouth and rest in your stomach, as to make digestion that easy and assimilation that fast. This way, you increase your chance to make vitamins, proteins, minerals, and carbs very fast and in proportions. Yes, dear friends, that's it for our time being. If you follow these 5 fiery steps very seriously, yes, you can be immunity explosive. Please keep coming and visiting my channel, and keep sending your suggestions in the comment sections as well. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time. Stay safe, protected, and apart. This is Dr. Nilesh Thakkar signing off. Bye.